Hello hungry friends, most of the time my waffle iron just sits there ignored in the kitchen cabinet, and I bet it's the same for many of you. But for these waffles, it's worth bringing that trusty iron back into action. These waffles taste fantastic, are quick to make, and are healthy too thanks to the following great ingredients. You're probably familiar with SKYR, the yogurt-like Icelandic dairy product. You have various delightful options, you don't have to stick with just plain varieties. You can choose one with fruit. We'll need spelt flour. I personally use whole grain, but it's not a must. 2 eggs, some baking powder, sugar. But it's really best to use a low-calorie option like birch sugar or stevia. And you'll also need a splash of mineral water. Initially, let's gently separate the eggs into yolk and whites. Thoroughly beat the whites in a silent, tidy, and tranquil bowl, using the whisk attachment of an electric mixer until you get a nice, firm, stiff egg white. Add the egg whites to a larger bowl and pour in the flour. Additionally, add the sugar and the baking powder to the mix. We add the most important ingredient, SKYR, and then finish it off with a splash of refreshing mineral water. Thoroughly mix everything with the whisk attachment. Stir until the ingredients are well combined. It doesn't take long. And then we need the waffle iron, preheat it thoroughly, and depending on the model, grease it lightly. I'll handle that, and then carefully portion the batter into the halves of the waffle iron. The batter is a bit thick, so you need to spread it evenly, then close the lid and bake it thoroughly once enough is in. Decide how light or dark you want them. I prefer them not too dark, but that's just personal preference. Remove them carefully, and then start the entire process over again, until every bit of the batter is completely used up. You can optionally dust the waffles with a bit of powdered sugar. These are low-calorie waffles, by the way, and you might want to add some fruit on top. And if you don't mind the calories, you can top them with whipped cream, and perhaps even add a cranberry compote or some syrup. Do it however you like, then enjoy these delicious waffles. They're best when warm, yet they are quite good cold too. As you can see, the preparation is really quick and easy. Have fun with it and enjoy your delicious meal.